What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the AWEI CL-930 2-in-1 cable for the lighting and micro. I'm feeling very sleepy but still going to make this video. And the good thing is that it comes in micro and the regular. I think so it's a plus point, to be honest with you. There is nothing else to review about this cable. I mean, it's a really very simple cable. Yeah, I mean, for like $5 you can't go wrong with it. I mean, one day it's going to break, to be honest with you, eventually. But overall, I will just say you just can't go wrong. I mean, even if buy a good cable, you just can't go wrong with it. As you can see, data is even transferred data, which is a good thing, to be honest with you. Yeah, it was me, none other than Geek. Subscribe and bye.